Hey, hello everyone. My name is Arkan and welcome back to another AutoCAD video. So today we're going to discuss more on about OSNAPs. Excuse me. So ano yung importansya ni OSNAPs ngayon sa AutoCAD and how will be very used on different drawings. It is very much important. But let's just talk about what is OSNAPs. So object snaps, ito ay ginagamit din sa mga, let me see, from the word itself, object snap, it will snap itself on a certain point of area no, is an object. Like for example, it will be used mainly, no, not mainly, I mean a lot, so on different drawings, wherein you will be able to create different behavior parts ng object. So for example, kung yung kailangan yung draw, tapos meron kayong gustong draw from a certain area point, doon mo pwede magamit siya. So without further ado, let's go let's jump in. So I'm going to open again another activity. Last time we discussed about batch. Discuss ko yung how we should behave, what how can you define, you can define it by changing its angle, scale. You can also detect the behavior of object if it is normal outside and ignore. Yes. So yun yung last lesson natin last time from the last video. So let's jump in. I'm opening object snaps drawing. It's still loading. There you go. As you can see, I put some mini notes kung yung mga kailangan natin discuss. So object snap, maybe it is you can turn it on by moving your cursor here, selecting this one, the one square, the one with the green, and the object set object snap. Shortcut also is F3 if you have but some laptops have function, so function F3. You can change also set things from it using object snap command. So it's command OS enter. As you can see, we're going to discuss a different one. We're going to turn on later this object snap tracking. Gagamit siya later. So discuss endpoint, snap to the endpoint from the word itself end. Sa dulo. Midpoint is on the middle of the certain object. Center, the center of one arc, circle, and etc. Don't worry, may details siya na guide. Geometrical center, not going to further disclose it. Geometric center, I think minsan mo makikita to sa spline, polyline, or sa mga arcs. Node is defined from node itself. Ito yung image niya. Let me click that. It will create a snap from the point. Quadrant is one of the corner point of circle, arc, ellipse. Intersection, we have extension, insertion, perpendicular, tangent, eres, apparent, intersection, parallel. So you can check it. Selecting check. You can clear all, but most of all, select all. You can turn on this. I'm just going to turn this on too. So let's jump in. First of all, endpoint. Let's create a line. For a line, when you see an object, hover your mouse dun sa isang end ng object. When you see ang Sorry. No application nagkakanggang. Okay. See this object, the one with the square. It says endpoint. It will create an endpoint. You can create a line from it. One point to another. Then midpoint from the word itself. Mid is between the certain area object. So for example, midpoint. What is the midpoint of this line? Is this one. Kasi pag nakikita niyo yung triangle, that's midpoint. Just going to draw another one. Okay, let's just go straight in. Nearest, when you say nearest, is nearest on a certain area of the objects. The one with the hourglass, this one. Then we'll create a line from here to snap. Next is perpendicular. When you say perpendicular, it is aligned within from the area kung saan yung ligay. Kung nakakita kayo ng 90-degree angle, ito siya. It's perpendicular. Another one. Can create another one. Mid between 2 points. I'm going to discuss it. For example, I'm going to create a circle within, let's see, this rectangle. Gusto ko sa gitna siya. Wala tayong midpoint within this one here. So it has to be mid between this. Pwede mong gawa ng midpoint dito. Pwede kang create ng line, or you can use mid between 2 points. So that's MPP. Type in by MPP, or M2. That's number 2, M2P. And we create the first point mid, this one. You can create an endpoint here. And another second point, which is this. And then we'll create the circle. There you go. This is the midpoint. Next, I haven't mentioned from one is command. Ito yung special snap na ginagamit mo kung saan there's a certain distance from a certain area ng objects. Like for example, let's create a rectangle. Around here, mga 20 of X and 20 of Y. So you can just type in from this point. So when you click on endpoint, it will tell you offset. Just type in at 20, 20. Create a rectangle. Let me type in here in this note. Sorry, nagkakang kulit. Range. Next one is intersection. When you say intersection, it intersects between the two areas, two lines that intersect each other. So Command L, let's say I'm going to create a circle within the intersection. Pag hover mouse yung kung saan nag-intersect, there will be an X mark. the indicator will be X. So select, just click the circle. Another one's a parent intersection, not going to discuss it too often, but it's also almost the same like intersection. So let me create a line. So it's APP for apparent exercise intersection. Indicator niya is as a square with some a mark of X na may tatlong dots. Line of this and line and line of this. It's almost the same. Extension. Next one is extension. For example, you're creating a line from a certain pointers. Select from, pero it will create illusion na parang when you hover mouse here, makikita nyo may parang dotted lines. It says extension and a white X mark. Say here. So, close. Very good. Next is center. When you say center, it means the central area of the circle. So apparently sa mga rectangle areas you don't have, but you also only have an arc circles. Command C for circle. So when you see a circle sign, this is circle. And also take note yung cross na mini cross here. Makikita nyo. It also indicates that it is a center. You can create that one. Next again is quadrant. Quadrant is like edge endpoint ng isang object, but it is on within a circle. So let me create a line. For example, this one. It has a diamond indicator. Meron siyang parang diamond. That's quadrant. Let's move on already to tangent. Tangent, not sure. I think it is an endpoint that's within the straight line object. It is available only sa circles, arc. There we go. Let me create another one from this one. So, pwede nyo explore siya. That's it. Node, ibig sabihin, it will create. Next one is node. So, ibig sabihin yan, you'll create an object from a point. So, hover yung crosshair dito. May makikita kayong circle na may parang X. That's node. So, select it. You can create this one. Close. Intersection, insertion. If, for example, I'm going to insert an object. I'm going to insert this crossfire. Pag nakita yung indicator na parang uneven na two squares na parang dikit, this is insert. Lastly, parallel. Parallel is an object na gagawin. Pag sinabi mong parallel, magkikreate ka ng line or object that is aligned. This is also the same area. This. So So let's say this one. We'll create another image. It's tricky, medyo tricky lang. Alam, but I know, as far as I know, barely na makakita lang ako. I'll always see you're going to use this kind of object, this kind of snap. It takes time to be able to create. But ang indicator niya, two parallel lines. It's like dalawang diagonal lines that is aligned also. Ng parang dalawang lines na magkahiwalay on may certain distance. Yun ang mukha ni parallel. Let's keep trying until I got. Set insertion. Okay. Be able to see clearly. I'm going to clear all. Open ko ulit yung drafting settings. So I'm just going to check parallel. Okay. Line. This one. See? Is indicator. Yung indicator niya. Parallel. To create parallel line. That's it. Let's go back to my settings. Another one that I want to check is in object snap tracking. For na-discuss natin yan during the session about coordinate systems. To turn it on, you have to go here. The one with the angular na may acute angle. This one, you can turn it on or shortcut niya is F11. Sa other latas, may functions, you use that. So pag nag-create ka na line, specific angle, settings ka. So ikaw mag-define dun sa drafting settings. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, and continue to support me by following my page and also like my page and also follow sa FB. That's Architect M. I already changed the name. It will be easy to see, and of course I will be uploading the videos in YouTube. I'll be uploading very soon, and follow also don't forget also to subscribe there. Thank you very much for this wonderful time to be able to share you my experience, and I hope to see you on the next following videos. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.